Hello student, welcome back to KG classes. Today we shall teach you Flamingo Prose, a CBSE 12th standard, the last lesson by Alphonse Daudet. Optional question answer. Who is the author of the last lesson? Answer, Alphonse Daudet. Next, Alphonse Daudet was from which country? Answer, France. Third, the story The Last Lesson highlights which human tendency? Answer, procrastination. Question, what were the things being taken for granted by the people of Alaska? Answer, time and school. Question, what does the last lesson symbolizes? Answer, loss of language and freedom. Question, what does the last lesson signify? Answer, change of power. Next question, what do the marching soldiers under the windows represent? Question, the dawn of Prussia in the defeat of French people. Question, from where did the orders come to teach only German in the districts of Alaska and Lorraine? Answer, Berlin. Question, what does effect this story speaks about? Answer, transition. Question, why was French reluctant to go to school? Answer, lesson on participle was not prepared. Question, what did French find on reaching the school? Answer, strange quietness. What did French notice on his way to school? Answer, a crowd in front of the bulletin board. Why was French surprised? फ्रेंच आश्चर्यचकित क्यों था? आंसर, बिकॉज ऑफ मिस्टर हैमेल्स काइंड एंड पोलाइट बिहेवियर, क्योंकि मिस्टर हैमेल्स जो उसके टीचर थे वो दयालु और पोलाइट बिहेवियर उस दिन कर रहे थे. हु ऑक्यूपाइड द बैक बेंचेस इन द क्लास? क्लास में पीछे की बेंचों पर कौन बैठे हुए थे? आंसर, विलेज एल्डर्स, गांव के बूढ़े बुजुर्ग लोग. वाई वाज फ्रेंच फीलिंग रिग्रेटफुल एंड सैड? आंसर, फॉर नॉट लर्निंग हिज मदर टंग. फ्रेंच दुखी और पश्चाताप क्यों कर रहा था? क्योंकि उसने अपनी भाषा को सीखा नहीं था. होम डिड मिस्टर हैमेल ब्लेम फॉर नॉट सेंडिंग स्टूडेंट टू स्कूल? आंसर, पेरेंट्स. हु वाज एम हैमेल्स? एम हैमेल कौन थे? आंसर, लैंग्वेज टीचर, यानी फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज टीचर थे. फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज के टीचर थे. मदर टंग. क्वेश्चन, वाई डज फ्रेंच थिंक ऑफ रनिंग अवे एंड स्पेंडिंग द डे आउट ऑफ डोर्स? टिक द फॉल्स आंसर. इसका आंसर होगा, ही हैड नॉट हर्ट ऑन द वे. क्वेश्चन, फ्रेंच वाज इन ग्रेट ड्रीड ऑफ ए स्कॉल्डिंग बिकॉज? आंसर, ही हैड नॉट लर्न हिज लेसन, क्योंकि उसने अपना लेसन लर्न नहीं किया था. डोंट गो सो फास्ट बब, यू विल गेट टू योर स्कूल इन प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम. वाट डज दिस सेंटेंस स्पीक ऑफ? वॉचर्स द ब्लैक स्मिथ्स इंटेंशन फॉर फ्रेंच? आंसर, ही इज मेकिंग फन ऑफ फ्रेंच. क्वेश्चन, वाट मेड फ्रेंच फॉरगेट Mr. Hamel's ruler and crankiness? Answer, the idea of his going away. What did Hodger bring? Answer, old primer. Question, how does M. Hamel present the French language? Answer, the most beautiful language. Where did the parents send their children? Answer, farms and meals. Question, why were the parents sending their children to the farms and meals? Answer, to earn money. How did one order from Berlin change the entire scenario of the school? Answer, the school was as quiet as a Sunday morning. Question, when people are enslaved, what key do they have to the prison according to M. Hamels? Answer, mother tongue. Why did the villagers come to meet M. Hamels in the school? Answer, to show gratitude. Question: Why did Mr. M. Hamel call the French language the most beautiful? Answer: because it was the clearest and logical. Question: What was French expected to be prepared for at school that day? Answer: participles. Question: What did French notice that was unusual that day? Answer: quietness in the school. What had been put up on the bulletin board that day? Answer: teach only German. Question: What changes did the order from Berlin cause in school that day? Answer: strange quietness and sadness. Question: What changed French feeling about M. Hamel and school? Answer: order from Berlin. Question: Expression thunderclap in the lesson means? Answer: startling and unexpected. Question: What a thunderclap these words were to me, which were the words that shocked and surprised little French? Answer: the new teacher was to arrive the following day to teach German. Question: The last lesson story was written in which year? Answer: 1870 to 1871. Question: Don't go so fast as you will get to your school in plenty of time means? Answer: early enough. Question: What was there in front of the bulletin board? Answer: a crowd. Question: What bad news used to come from the bulletin board? Answer: orders